Hello, this is Dr. Lund, your Roseville neck and back pain relief chiropractor. In this video, I want to give you some stretches and movements that you can do to help lower back pain. So one of the things that really plays a major role in the lower back, whether it's painful or you're pain-free, is the movement and the mobility of the hips. So if we have better movement, better mobility of our hip joints, that can really take a lot of stress off of the joints in the lower back and help relieve and manage pain. So one of the things is just taking the hips through their full range of motion, getting them the movement. So I'm just going to show you a couple things that you can do to do that. So one thing is just if you're sitting, you can kind of grab onto your knee and bring it up, and basically then we're taking that hip joint all the way through that kind of flexion movement. Okay, and you kind of think about it as how often do you do that? You walk, but when we walk, we're not bringing our legs up high like if we were sprinting. So just taking each day or a couple times a day, holding it for 5-10 seconds, but just taking it through that full range of motion will help the mobility. The next one is just simply crossing your leg over and sitting up. Again, just the act of getting into this position puts a lot of movement into the hip joint. A lot of times if people have really arthritic hips, this is very hard for them to do. But again, just bringing your leg up, crossing it like you would normally sit up tall. Again, it's taking it through that range of motion. And then the last one would just be kind of an extension where you're basically going to go into a lunge and just kind of come forward, and then you're getting kind of that extension movement of the hip joint, which is the opposite of when we grabbed our knee and brought it to our chest. So again, those are three kind of movements or exercises that you can do for the hip joint. It's going to improve the movement of the hip joint, the mobility of the hip joint, take that stress off of the lower back, and help provide some relief of lower back pain. So give it a try. Thanks for watching. This is Dr. Lund, your Roseville neck and back pain relief chiropractor.